Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing PIA's Boeing 777-200LR by Hogan Wings. Let's get into it.
पहली उड़ान PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
So I've had this model for many years. Unfortunately, the box inside and the packaging were not included when I purchased it from the other buyer. But either way, I still kept the box and everything, but still very detailed and pretty good condition. So as you can see on the front, we have our beautiful PIA logo, Boeing 777-200LR, our scale of 1 to 200. Usually in the Hogan models, you can see the aircraft displayed here inside. On the side, we just have our PIA logo and name, same on the top. And then moving into the back, we have our beautiful view of the PIA aircraft and then some specifications of the aircraft itself. Alright, so here is our beautiful detailed Boeing 777-200LR, a very glossy, very detailed look. So included in the box, we do have our two wings. We also have our two stabilizers, our tail, and then our stand itself. It's very good that the stand has its PIA logo and Boeing name as well. Thank God that it's not, blank. It does have a logo on it, so that's good. So we'll go ahead and assemble this aircraft. Sometimes it's very hard to connect it inside. There we go. And then last but not least, our beautiful tail. And here it is, our Boeing 777-200LR. So if we look at the aircraft up close, we have our PIA logo on the front, our detailed cockpit windows, our registration Golf Yankee on the nose gear. One thing about Hogan is that their gears do move, but they unfortunately don't rotate 360. We have our detailed doors and then our passenger windows, our PIA name, our white body color with a dark green stripe, and then our beige color moving in with the engines all the way to the back until the tail. Our engines fan blades do move as well, which is good. Details on the wing itself, very nice. Our main landing gears do move as well. And then if we move to the back, we have our registration, Alpha Papa, Bravo Golf Yankee, Boeing 777-200LR. Our registration is also underneath the bottom left wing and then as well on the top right wing. We have our Pakistan flag and then our beautiful Pakistan flag on the tail, and then our detailed exhaust on the left hand side. As we move to the back, we have some similar details, just our cargo doors, bulk door, and then our front cargo door as well. Pretty much the same details. And then underneath, we just have not much detail, just our tail stand input, and then our Hogan logo, and then our beige, dark green, and then white livery color. So some interesting facts about this aircraft. Some of you may know, some of you may not, but this aircraft was the first Boeing 777-200LR prototype aircraft. So when the aircraft was registered in the United States as November 60659, the aircraft was built for PIA and it was painted in the Boeing house colors. As you may have seen, I posted a video a while ago of that same aircraft. The aircraft went for pre-delivery tests, evaluation and promotional flights. The first flight of this aircraft was on March 8th of 2005. And then the aircraft was then re-registered in the USA as November 5022 Echo for the Boeing company. Then the aircraft was registered in Pakistan as AP-BGY, and then it was delivered to PIA on February 24th of 2006. And till this day, this aircraft still operates and is flying all around the world internationally, and no doubt whoever sees this aircraft always know it is a historic piece of Boeing history that either you're flying on or you're capturing. So it's definitely a very unique aircraft, and I'm very glad to have it in my collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of this rare piece. Definitely I have many more models to show you guys in 1 to 200 scale by Hogan, so make sure to stay tuned, like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future PIA model collection videos. Thanks a lot guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.